We all love the many shades of greens and reds and browns, and therefore I decided to capture all of that in a more condensed form. To create this centerpiece, you need a compote or a vase, some collected foliage from your balcony or a garden, floral foam, water, moss and moss pebbles. Place a 2-inch cube of soaked floral foam in a shallow compote or a raised container. Add the leaves or the flowers to create a base for the other plants to come in depending upon their heights. The foliage is in place, fill any remaining holes in the arrangement with moss or moss pebbles. And there you have a beautiful centerpiece to sit pretty on your table. You can add some lights and you have a great dining table as well.